Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to print the alphabets order A to Z and Z to A. Reverse order also I want to print in both lower and upper cases in Python. So let's start the tutorial. Let's check the final output. Python, enter, and notice here we got the output A to Z lowercase. I am printing A to Z. A to Z is lowercase and reverse order also Z to A here, and also I am showing A to Z to print uppercase and reverse order Z to A in the uppercase.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder which I have created on my desktop, Python-tutorials. And here we got our Python-tutorials folder is added to our VS Explorer. Now let's create one new file, A to Z lower and uppercase.py, and here our newly created file is open. First let's import string. After importing the string, for A to Z in string.ASCII lowercase. I'm using ASCII lowercase. Then I want to print here, A to Z. And notice here when I save this file, we'll check the output what will happen here. Python A to Z LNUCSPY, and notice here all the alphabets is in printing in a new line. So I don't want to print in a new line every letter. I want to print side by side. For that, let's close this one. Let's minimize a little bit. I'm using the end with some space. Now here I want to print here between single quotes /n A to Z lowercase, it will print lowercase. Now let's copy this one. Now A to Z, this one Z to A, I want to print lowercase for Z to A in string.ASCII lowercase only, but here I am converting the list, the method called reversed method. I am using reversed method. That's it. Make sure close the brackets, and this one Z to A. Again let's copy this thing. I want to print the uppercase. This one I am changing to uppercase A, and Z is uppercase. This one uppercase, and this one A is Z to A reverse. Let's add the reverse. Uppercase Z to A reverse. Now the main thing here, for A to Z in string.ASCII uppercase, I want to convert ASCII underscore uppercase, and here also ASCII underscore uppercase, string.ASCII underscore uppercase. That's it. Now let's save this file. We'll check the final output of our application. CLF here CLS let's check the final output. Python, enter, and notice here we got the output A to Z lowercase. I am printing A to Z. A to Z is lowercase, and reverse order also is Z to A here, and also I am showing A to Z to print uppercase, and reverse order Z to A in the uppercase. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to print the alphabetic order side by side from A to Z to A in lower and uppercase. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.